There is a line buried in the rap's new Supergirl post mortem worth flagging because it lands exactly where our reporting has been since last fall. In their breakdown of where DC goes after the flop, the rap cities a top agent who said James Gunn specifically should be nervous and predict he won't survive the change in ownership, even while expecting DC and its longtime executives to endure. I don't know how nervous DC is, but certainly James Gunn should be nervous, the agent said. There will always be a DC, and the current access have survived previous regime changes, but I don't think Gunn survive. We reported that outcome 8 months ago. Back in October 25, our Hollywood insider told us James Gunn would be out as head of DC once Warner Bros. Discovery sale, with David Ellison's incoming regime expected to put Mike DeLuca in charge and start over. In February, YouTuber John Campea predicted Gunn would ask out of his contract before the end of the year and land back at Marvel. We flagged it as matching what we said first. In March, insider at WonderCon told us Gunn could be gone even before Man of Tomorrow, making a graceful exit rather than getting pushed out after the merger closes. Puck's Belloni made the call before the weekend even started. He framed Supergirl's flop as bad timing for Gunn and Safran, writing that their post-merger future running DC will likely be decided by David Ellison and the incoming Paramount team. That's the same handoff our insider described in October, with the new owner holding the call on Gunn. The rep took it further. Their agents read that Gunn won't survive is that same conclusion, stated as a outcome rather than an open question. The rep also backed the other half of it, that the DC slate under Gunn has no real plan. They report DC's next priority is a ban that stroke movie with no director or cast attached. Our insider have been saying the same, only sharper. They told us Matt Reeves has concern over Gunn getting to use Batman, with the word back that Gunn has been all over the place without a clear plan. And on the clearest example, we were told us DC has no real take on Wonder Woman despite her role in Man of Tomorrow, with one insider calling her so generalized she is interchangeable with Maxima. That's the same directionless slate the rap is now describing, and it tracks with what we heard earlier about DCU films stalling under Gunn, with directors walking rather than working under him. The people who cover this full time are now circling the same answer our insider gave in October. It is the same pattern we saw with Daredevil Born Again, where the trades eventually confirmed our retool scoop months after we broke it. Now it is happening again with DC. First, it was our insider saying Gunn would be out once Warner Bros. Discovery sales. Then came Campea, then came Belloni. Now, the rap has a top agent saying the quiet part out loud. Gunn should be nervous and he may not survive the ownership change. Even Deadline has confirmed our insider reporting, with Paramount's deal expected to close in July. The call is getting close. The only real question now is how long the official version takes to catch up to what we reported in October. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and like the video.